What's up, Coin Fam? Today, we're not just talking about rare quarters, we're uncovering treasures that could be hiding in your pocket change. Stick around because at the end of this video, I've got something truly mind-blowing to show you. A bicentennial quarter like you've never seen before. Let's kick things off with a coin that's not just rare, but a masterpiece of minting mishaps. This Brockage Error on a 1958 proof quarter is like finding a coin within a coin. Imagine the head side of one coin imprinted on the tails of another. This isn't just any error, it's a proof coin, so it slipped through multiple quality checks. This beauty graded a 62 and fetched over $12,000 at auction. Can you believe that? Next up, feast your eyes on this 1932 San Francisco minted quarter. It's not just silver, it's a piece of history in mint condition. Graded mint state 66, this coin shows off some beautiful toning under the eagle's feathers. Now here's the kicker, it sold for over $15,000. Who knew that toning could be so lucrative? Now for something completely offbeat. Here's a 1983 quarter from Philadelphia with an uninvited guest, a game token. Yes, you heard that right. This quarter literally says, "This is my lucky day," across Washington's face. Despite the chaos, it graded mint state 65 and went for nearly $16,000. Imagine finding that in your change. Let's talk about doubling. This 1943 quarter isn't just doubled, it's a numismatic work of art. The date, the motto, even liberty, all doubled. It graded mint state 63 with a prestigious CAC label. It sold for $17,400. How's that for a coin with a bit of extra detail? Here's a gem, a 1976 San Francisco bicentennial quarter. Graded mint state 69, it's nearly flawless. Just a couple of wine-colored spots from toning. This quarter, with its almost mirror finish, sold for over $19,000. It's like holding a piece of history in your hands. Another double die, this time from 1937, graded mint state 66. This quarter is one of only a dozen known in this condition. The doubling is so clear, especially on the date, it went for $19,550. Imagine owning one of the rarest coins of its kind. This 1943 San Francisco minted quarter might look rough at first, but look closer. That toning? It's like a natural artwork. Graded mint state, this coin, with its orange, red, and rose gold hues, sold for $23,000. Whatever you do, don't clean it. The toning is part of its charm. Here's a 1948 quarter with stunning rainbow toning. Graded mint state 68, it's one of the finest known. The green CAC label, it's like a badge of honor. This beauty fetched $23,500 at auction. Toning can really add to a coin's allure. Hold on to your seats. This quarter has tails on both sides. Struck by two reverse dies, authenticated by NGC and the Secret Service, this anomaly was discovered in a safe deposit box around the year 2000, and it sold for $42,000. Imagine finding this in your change. The $90,000 quarter. Ever wondered what a $90,000 quarter looks like? Here it is, a 1932 Denver minted coin. Only 436,800 were made. That's a very low mintage for coins, making this a key date. Graded mint state 66, it's the highest known grade. This coin isn't just rare, it's legendary. The Bicentennial Hybrid. And now, this will blow your coin-loving mind. This 1976 bicentennial quarter got sandwiched between Eisenhower dies, creating a unique blend of Washington and Eisenhower. Graded mint state 64, it sold for $28,000, a true one-of-a-kind. If you're as fascinated by dimes as you are by quarters, don't forget to check out our dime video next. Thanks for watching.